Megan?
I want Halloween cake.
Halloween
cake.
You want Jake?
No, I want Halloween cake.
You want Halloween Jake? Halloween?
No, Halloween cake.
Oh, you want a Halloween cake?
Yeah, Halloween cake. Halloween cake.
It's Megan's birthday. It's not your birthday yet. Can you say happy birthday, Megan?
No! Happy birthday, Megan! Happy birthday, Megan! Happy birthday, Megan!
That's not nice.
I don't want Megan. I want to eat French fries.
You want to eat French fries?
Yeah, I want to eat French
What kind of
fries.
birthday cake do you think Megan should have?
Oh, Mama. Am I Halloween cake?
She should have a Halloween cake?
Yeah.
I don't know. What else do you think she should have?
Make it really cake.
Huh?
Make it really cake.
What kind?
Make it really cake.
And
We have one cake. We have one cake.
a Halloween cake?
Yeah. We have one Halloween cake.
What other kind of cake do you think she should have?
We have Halloween cake.
Just a Halloween cake?
Yeah, one Halloween cake.
What kind of presents do you think she should have? She should have a Lightning McQueen present?
Yeah. I should.
She'll have to ask Santa?
Yeah, I should.
I think you got your holidays mixed up, baby doll.
Yeah. Should you French fries?
Hmm? Santa will bring Lightning McQueen French fries?
Yeah,
Can you sing happy birthday?
nope. How about Halloween?
What do you want to sing?
I want to make him
What kind of picture?
No.